going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are at Jackson Dragway, and guys, I am hoping the rain holds out. It is raining north of us, and so far it's held out here. So just got to the track, gonna let the car cool off, gonna get a few passes in. There we go, baby. 698. All right, guys, we got a 6-second pass. 698 at 101. Ha ha. My first pass out, I went 698 at 101. It is cool out here. I'm gonna look at the DA here in a minute, but 698 at 101 with a 16160. So last week I went a 709 with a 16160 at 100. So the weather is helping out. Ran a 703 with a 164 60 foot. So my 60 foot had everything to do with it, but still ran a good pass. Pass I ran a 703 at 101, but I ran a 164.60, and the pass before that I ran a 161.60 at 698. So Daryl is here in his car, and we're going to adjust first gear where it shifts out where we want it to all the time. So we're going to work on that a little bit and see what it does. right, 699, so we're back.
Yes, sir.
All right, 699 at 102, so we're back. All right, guys, at last pass we ran 699. We are up to 102 mile an hour now. Ran a 162.60, and so we're 102 mile an hour, 699. So we're in the sixes now. That's the main thing. The DA is around 800, 700, 800 DA, so we are a little cooler, but we are right there. All right, guys, we're fixing to take a run down the track in Daryl's car. He's gonna give me a ride. I've been wanting to ride in this thing for a while now. So we're gonna see what it does.
Hopefully it'll hook up.
If it hooks, we're gonna fly.
Yeah, we've been having a hard time hooking tonight though. I'm not sure why, but mid 150, 60 foot could be better.
Oh yeah, but we're gonna see what it'll do, guys. Woo! Holy shit!
Yeah, I'm gonna say that's maybe a 630 on that run. I kind of let out a little bit on the hit.
That was a good 60 foot, man. He pulled a lot harder out of the hole. We got a 699, a 703 with a 164, a 699 with a 162, and a 161 with a 698 at 101. I said this car ran on stock tune, Roush tune that is, ran 97. Every once in a while I'd blip a 98 out of it, but ran 97 mile an hour. So we have picked up 4 mile an hour with just a tune. That's crazy. Yeah. So yeah, that's crazy.
Mile per hour doesn't lie, you know. It made some good gain for sure.
You know, the dyno showed us picking up 67 horsepower, and we picked up 4 mile an hour. So yeah, I'd say the dyno was right on where it should be. And Daryl's car, guys, I haven't really showed y'all this car really a whole lot, but I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. And I'm gonna actually get with him one day, hopefully soon, and get you a full video on this car. But this car is stock suspension, stock rear axles, and his best quarter is 933.
Yeah.
933 at 149. He's running 6162 tonight. It's got 590s in it, but guys, this car is, like I said, stock suspension, stock rear axles, and you're leaving on what?
Leaving on about close to 1 psi. It's actually just out of vacuum. It's right at 0 on my gauge. So.
And that's right.
Thank you. But yeah, so I mean, he's leaving pretty much on no boost and running what he's running, guys. This car is insane. But like I said, I'm gonna get y'all more details on this one day. We're gonna get a full video on it. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.